Legends of Learning presents The Rocking Hard Game. This is a science game that makes learning about the rock cycle fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, help Marble on his adventure to form a rock band by unearthing the most amazing trapped musicians, all while learning the steps of the rock cycle. This game is filled with mini-games that encourage students to win, allowing them to upgrade Marble's band's prestige and purchase items from his venue, called The Cave. The game features a story mode with a comprehensive lecture and puzzles to help players understand the steps for each rock type in the rock cycle. Your objective is to set free all the trapped musicians and defeat the evil being that holds them captive. Additionally, the game offers a practice mode with numerous mini-activities and games to assess knowledge, enabling players to earn more gold, to upgrade their band, and buy items for the cave. Discover hidden rocks buried within the game, and unlock achievements and prizes. Complete all the levels to win the game. Have fun and enjoy playing!